এবিপি আনন্দ, এগিয়ে থাকে, এগিয়ে রাখে।
We also have Bishop Canning, who's present here with us. Thank you so much for being here. Reverend Paritosh Canning. Reverend Archbishop Thomas D'Souza of Calcutta will now address the gathering.
Our Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, our beloved Didi, all honorable ministers, all officials from the government and police departments, Right Reverend Bishop Paritosh Canning, all the officials and dignitaries present here, brothers and sisters. Like every year at this time, Park Street and Allen Park in particular are lit up with lights and decorations, creating an atmosphere of joy, and rightly so. The obvious reason for this joy is Christmas, the celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ. These lights drive away the darkness around us and darkness within us. The darkness within us is created by selfishness and hatred, pride and self-sufficiency, domination, authority and division. This interior darkness of human hearts spills into darkness outside around us. However, Christmas is meant to drive away such darkness, whether it be inside or around among people. The birth of Jesus Christ made it possible for all people to be enlightened interiorly and shed that light around them. The celebration of Christmas is a reminder to us that God sent His Son into the world because He loved us and continues to love us, all of us. Love needs to be the binding force today more than ever. Among us, to whichever race, culture, language or religion we belong, God continues to love us, and He wants us to love one another because we are all human beings and God became a human person, and we are all brothers and sisters among us. We belong to one human family. This year, we had a special cause for experiencing a special darkness, and that is the fear of death because of COVID-19. We remember with respect and love all those who died or succumbed to this COVID-19 in our city, in our state, in fact, all over the world. This pandemic has also brought out what is best among people. Our doctors, nurses, healthcare workers, volunteers, ordinary people who risked their lives yet continued to serve the patients and all those affected are heroes and heroines. Our sincere thanks to them, and we salute them. They were our lights in this difficult time of darkness. We also remember all those and thank all those individuals and organizations who helped the poor, went out of their way, even from their own poverty. They were in their poverty, they were generous to help their needy brothers and sisters. And our salute to them too. We want to thank the government of West Bengal, especially our Chief Minister, for her heroic inspiration and support to tackle this unprecedented crisis that affected all of us. On this Christmas Day, as we gather here, we want to listen to the song of the angels. The angels sang, "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace to people." That peace is possible only where there is love, charity, where there is justice, and where there is truth. Therefore, truth, justice, love, they result in peace. Today, more than ever, we need this in our society and in our world. May the birth of Jesus Christ, celebrated at Christmas, inspire us tirelessly for this common responsibility to build a community and society based on love, human dignity, and the values of justice, truth, humility, service, and mutual respect, all values so beautifully enshrined in the Constitution of India, in our Constitution. Let us accept and respect all, irrespective of religion or race or language, everyone as our brother and sister, and be instruments and messengers of peace and joy today. This is the message of Christmas. Peace is the result of love. Peace is the result of selflessness, giving. Peace is the result of concern and respect for one another. May the celebration this Christmas make each one of us a messenger of peace, a messenger of love among us. I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, and pray that God bless all of us individuals, our families, our citizens, our city of Kolkata, and our state of West Bengal, our country, and in fact the whole world. God bless you and thank you.
জ্ঞান মনস্তং ব্রহ্ম, সত্য অন্তহীন। সত্যের খোঁজও তাই, সত্য সন্ধানে তাই আমরা অক্লান্ত, অকুতভয়। এবিপি আনন্দ নতুন ভাবনার প্রতীক, যা মনে মুক্ত, তথ্যে যুক্ত এবং যাবতীয় সীমানার বাঁধন থেকে মুক্ত।
সীমা না শব্দটির মধ্যে লুকিয়ে আছে মানা শব্দটি, যেন চোখ রাঙানি এক অদৃশ্য বেড়াজাল, যা আটকে রাখে আমাদের এক ছোট্ট গণ্ডির মধ্যে। একমাত্র সঠিক খবরই গড়ে তুলবে এক মুক্ত সমাজ। সেই জগৎ গড়ার লক্ষ্যে কোনো সীমানার ঠুকুটি আমরা মানব না। এবিপি আনন্দ এগিয়ে থাকে, এগিয়ে রাখে।